Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials. Today we'll be talking on how to create forms in your Excel. The essence of creating forms in your Excel is that it makes your input easy. You find it easy to input data in your Excel. Okay, my name is Daniel Obeyi and I welcome you to today's tutorials. First and foremost, for you to create a form in your Excel, you go to the customize quick access toolbar. As you can see, you click on it. When you click on it, you look for more commands. You click on the more commands. Then from this box, you check for choose commands from. So the first one you may have is a popular command. So what you do is you click on this arrow, then you pick commands not in the ribbon. When you click on the commands not in ribbon, it shows you another commands. From these commands that are in alphabetical order, you can now select your form. When you select your form, you come to the add, you click on add, then the form comes here. So you click on the form. After clicking on the form, you come to OK, you click on the OK. What happens is that the form appears on this customize quick access toolbar. So for you to see how effective the form is, what you've created, how effective it is, you select all of this. You click on this, you hold the shift key and you click on this. It becomes selected. Then you click on the form. So it gives you some options. So you click on the OK. What happens? You've created your form for yourself. So you can now start inputting company name. You can say XXX. Buyer, you can say YYY. Then you come to the quantity, you can say quantity WWW. Then you come to your amount, you can say ZZZ. Okay, so what happens is you click on new. Any of the options here, you can click on it. If you click on new, your data is being imputed here. As you can see, that's automatically shown on your Excel. So the new, after clicking on the new, you can type any other information, company name for another company. You can say AAA. Then the buyer, you can say BBB. The quantity, you can say QQQ. Then the amount, you can just say YYY. Then you click on the new to input another new record, or you can close it for it to be the final record you want to make. So what happens is that your data has been imputed on the Excel sheet so easily, and I want you to understand that as soon as your form has been created on the quick access toolbar, you can use it always, anytime, any day to do your work. So that is how you can create your form on Excel spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials. I want you to subscribe on my channel and get more videos. The previous videos, you can watch them, you can share the link, introduce people to this channel. It will be very beneficial. Thanks for watching. Bye.